Guys, today we're gonna do. Oh wait, hello guys. Today we're gonna do an experiment of Bill Nye.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
Bill Nye the Science Guy
VR.
kit from our school for free.
Oh,
Yeah, we got it for free.
basically, yeah. Okay.
This is from a fundraiser. Some people
Look how strange this is. Here up here, probably. Oh, let me set this stuff up. Let me set this up, guys. Then I go to the menu. Okay, there. Yes, I'm gonna start. Oh, great. Then we press start. Do that. Okay, so. Oh no.
Volcanoes erupt thanks to pressure building up below the Earth's surface. In this experiment, we'll create a chemical reaction to see the power of a volcano in action. Take a look at step 1 to begin.
Oh, that's so cringe. You have one too. That is so cringe. That actually looks so cringe. So, I mean, he's smart, but it just looks so cringe.
The name isn't Megamind, it's Mewing Man.
Yeah, he mewed too much. Okay, so first, oh, Stinky.
I didn't go into the mewing gym.
So he went there too much. I need to get scissors. Oh, why did I not set this up already? It's a volcano one. It's really cool. I seen it in a video. People were doing it. It's really cool.
I wish I had a jawline. But I wish I had that jawline, but a little bit smaller. Not both mewing man, the mewing superhero. If you need a mew, call the mewing man.
You should call him, bro. But
Can make you.
so let me put this in my face. Okay. So zoomed in. Okay, there we go.
Please.
Okay. So let's see what this says.
What's the app called?
Step 1. Scoop 3 heaping spoonfuls of baking soda into the center of the volcano.
Okay, let's do it. So, damn, this is giant to hold. It's so ginormous.
3 grams? Look, this one.
Yeah,
That's a 3 grams.
I know. 3 grams. I don't want to do it in the VR. Probably mess up.
3 spoons.
Well, on my phone not.
This is 3. What's the app called?
Bill Nye the Science Guy kit, I think. Just do do something like that. Okay, what's next, guys? What's next?
Step 2. Add a few drops of red liquid coloring to the baking soda. Mix together.
Oh, you mix it. Oh. Okay, that's just. So, let me open this. Red coloring, liquid coloring, guys. Now, let's drop this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that should be enough. Now we mix. Mix. Mixing. Even though. Hope this works. Hope. Hope. Hey, I think last step, guys. Woohoo! Last step.
Step 3. Pour the entire bottle of vinegar into the center of the volcano.
Whoa,
What happens?
that is sick. Let's do it. Oh, just this. So let me get my vinegar here.
Vinegar. Vinegar.
I'll put it in this
Vinegar.
cup.
Vinegar.
So I need to put a full cup. This is gonna be satisfying, guys. Said full cup. Damn.
That's not a cup.
I know.
Ooh. Do we have a measuring cup?
Oh, that does not smell good. But at least I hope it works. Okay, countdown, guys, please. Hope this works.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
go!
Whoa! That is sick! Whoa! Dang!
Yo.
Yo.
It even sounds like a volcano.
Yeah. No, the spoon. That's so sick! That's so sick!
Yep, they're really light, isn't it?
That is sick!
Smells bad, but I kind of want to eat some.
It looks like liquid watermelon.
Should we pour it?
Yeah, sure. Let's see. What if I add more? What will happen? Nothing.
A little more vinegar, though.
Huh?
I think we need to add a little more.
This is what it looks like, guys.
Finished product. Put
Man,
some extra vinegar in it.
let me spill it. Look inside, guys. Look at this. Woohoo! We did it! Woohoo! So, okay, guys. We're gonna see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Peace.